Have you ever loved someone who didn't love you back? Not because you weren't enough, but because they never truly saw you. If you have, this story is for you. Sometimes, one moment, one glance, one smile, and suddenly something inside you changes. You start seeing them as special. Every little thing they do feels meaningful, and every day you find yourself falling deeper, even though they never notice the hope growing in your eyes. The painful part, they have no idea how much space they occupy in your heart. Or worse, they know, but they simply don't care. Why one-sided love feels so deep? One-sided love is deep because it has no expectations, just pure emotions. It doesn't operate on logic. It doesn't calculate. It feels. You overlook their flaws. You justify their silence. And you convince yourself they're just busy. But the truth is, in this kind of love, there's no ego, no pride, no selfishness. Just a heart that loves, even without receiving. Psychologists say the pain of one-sided love is deeper than a breakup, because in a breakup, at least you had something to lose. Here, you never had them, yet it feels like you're losing everything. You can't express your feelings, because what if they walk away? You're not in a relationship, yet you feel the pain of one. You start doubting yourself. Where am I lacking? Why am I not enough? And every memory, every hope, refuses to let you move on. Why they don't love you back? Sometimes the truth hurts, but here it is. They don't love you because you're not their type. They already like someone else. They're not ready for a relationship. Or they simply don't see your value. And hear me clearly. This is not your fault. You cannot force a place in someone's heart. The mistakes we make. In one-sided love, we all make the same mistakes. We make them the hero of our life, even when we're not a chapter in theirs. We lower our value, hoping they'll finally notice. We justify their ignorance, telling ourselves they're busy, while in reality, people make time for what matters. The only way to heal is to face the truth. They don't want you, and that's okay. Create emotional boundaries. Stop letting their presence control your mood. Remember the value of your love. It's not cheap and it's not replaceable. Give yourself distance, not out of anger, but out of self-respect. Pour your heart into your goals, your growth, your future. You may not forget the pain instantly, but you can change what you give your energy to. And with time, your heart will learn to breathe again. The final message: one-sided love doesn't break you. It builds you. It teaches you who deserves your trust and who only deserves a goodbye. The most beautiful truth: you hurt for the wrong person, so the right person can recognize your worth. And one day, someone will feel lucky to love you back.